All right, so let's take a look at another two-step equation. And for this two-step equation, we got 39 is equal to 3 over 11x plus 18. If we go through our steps, step 1 says we got to separate the left and the right side by drawing a line down our equal sign. So let's go ahead and do that. Step 2 says we're going to identify the problem's operation. So if we go through and identify our problem's operation, if we notice that we got 39, 39 is over there by itself, so there's nothing over there. The back side of our equation, we got 3 over 11x. That 3 over 11 is a fraction. So because 3 over 11 is a fraction, for us to undo a fraction, which means divide, we're going to multiply because we got to do the opposite. Okay? The next thing that we should see is that we have a positive 18. Because that's a positive 18, that's like the same thing as saying that it's add 18. So for us to undo that, we got to subtract. Okay? Now, it's very important that when we go through these opposites, is that we go in the right order. So the order states that I have to undo adding and subtracting first. Okay? And what that really means is I can't move my x first. I have to move the one without it. That is called your constant. Okay? And our constant in this one is 18. So I got to do the opposite. Like we said, we're going to subtract. So I'm going to subtract 18 on both sides. Positive 18, negative 18 goes away. Now we got 39 minus 18 when we subtract those, because those are definitely opposite signs. So we're going to subtract. That's going to give me 21. Okay? I did nothing with my 3 over 11. So I'll bring it down. All right, so what we have here is 21 is going to be equal to 3 over 11x. Now we said because 3 over 11 is a fraction, we have to do the opposite of a fraction, which is multiply. And what we're going to do when we multiply this time, we're going to use what is called your inverse. Your inverse, or a flip version of your fraction that they gave me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my multiplying symbol. I'm going to flip the fraction. I'm going to put 11 at the top, 3 at the bottom. What I do to one side, got to do it to the other side. Okay? So when I multiply 3 over 11 times 11 over 3, all of these cancel each other out, leaving me with just x. Okay? What we're going to do next is we're going to focus on the 11 over 3 times 21. Okay? So when we do that, we're going to bring up our calculator. And what's going to happen is we're going to type in 11 divided by 3 times 21. And what that's going to give us is 77. So the value of x is 77.